Bonjour, bienvenue au SpaceSat Challenge de l'Agence spatiale concernant NeoSat. Mon nom c'est Denis Lorrain, je suis scientifique de programme à l'Agence spatiale en exploration.
Hi, I'm Vikar Abbasi. I work in the satellite operations team at the Canadian Space Agency, and together with our partners at Defense Research and Development Canada, DRDC, we are operating the NeoSat Space Telescope.
Thank you, Vikar. So, first of all, let me explain what NeoSat is. It's a microsatellite that has as payload a small telescope. It's orbiting space around Earth, and the advantages of having a space telescope are mainly that you're outside the Earth's atmosphere, so you have no disturbances from the atmosphere, and also you can observe 24 hours a day.
We have a few challenges in the prepared for you guys. One of them is to look into developing software to facilitate the planning of tasks for NeoSat to perform in the astronomy area. So one of the advantages that NeoSat has is that it has this large baffle, so it can look closer to the sun, as we see in the video behind us, than ground telescopes can, because telescopes can only operate at night. But at the same time, you cannot look through the Earth. So as NeoSat makes its orbit around the Earth, it might be that your star over there, or your asteroid, is not visible. So looking at the geometry of where NeoSat is in its orbit, relative to potential targets you're interested in, which many of them are moving up in space, you will come up with software to help optimize kind of the targets that NeoSat will look at, so that it's always finding interesting things to take pictures of, download back to the Earth.
Thank you. As I mentioned, it is a microsatellite, and you will see a full-scale model of the satellite. It is a relatively small telescope, but again, in space, it has these unique advantages. And we can look at targets like tracking asteroids, like Vikar mentioned, and also looking at variable stars. And one of the applications, in fact, that requires being in space is the fact that some variable stars, or looking at exoplanet transit is another example, where you need to stare at the star for long periods of time and not have these day and night interruptions. So that's one of the advantages of NeoSat, and it's one of the applications that we are using NeoSat for, and it's part of the SpaceSat Challenge that we'll present soon.
Great. So yeah, basically we have also the image processing challenge, so that we've provided a whole lot of data that we've downloaded over a long period of time for it in relation to astronomy applications. So you can process that images and look for moving objects or do photometry on the exoplanet targets. And yeah, or come up with other things you want to work on with that data. It's kind of up to you. But we think it'll be a pretty exciting challenge.
Good. All right. Thanks. Can we pause a minute?